The lobster is fresh. You don't get no fresher than this, people. This is what coconut tastes like. Different type of sweetness. Fresh lobster, people. And fish. I think that fish mine is grilled fish.
Yo, Lando. Prime time Lando in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica running.
The pool, I like it here for the beach.
I want to try that dirty banana.
We get it when we come back. When we come back, we get it. Alright. You alright? You act like you drinking something. You about to fall. Somebody go get our food. What you eating today, Sham? The what? Fish and bami. Okay.
Prime time Lando in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica running. Prime time Lando, yeah we dep on the road. Truck them rolling, blessing overload. From Georgia to Florida, God in my soul. Shalom, shalom, man, I'm moving control. Lifestyle clean and the flags them bold. Culture rich like your Jamaican gold. Prime time Lando, yeah the journey.
Alright, it's our spot, people. Alright, that's all. On the beach. Yeah. Where's that? Where's that chicken? Where's that octopus? What you want?
Video lobster coming through.
Alright. Where lobster in, eh? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, okay. Look at this, people. Live lobster. Y'all come check them out now. Look at this. The lobster is fresh. You don't get no fresher than this, people. It gets no fresher than this. No fresher. Where we at? What's the location here? Flag City. One city. Alright. Everything fresh here, people. Come check them out. Negril. Me eat lobster, no? Me eat lobster, me eat fish though. Oh yeah. Why for this fish, yes? Acho. Yeah, why for the fish? It's a good sizes, man. That one there good size. People, what you know about fresh lobsters? You don't get no fresher than this. On the beach, that's how we're doing it. Yeah, escavish. Let me see what I want. Let me see what me want.
Fried fish, right?
Yeah. Grill con, grilled. But tell us the last night we are forward. Come here, man. Come here right there, so what? Where I say fresh?
Fresh. Yeah, man, welcome to Flag City, you know.
Flag
Don't
City.
know the best spot on the beach.
Ah.
Don't know. You have to Flag City there, you know.
Eh.
You can go on social media, you can find me. Black City Food Challenge. Also, my YouTube challenge. My YouTube challenge is laughing is a must. You don't know what things say.
All right, sir. Hit that. Coconut, people. Fresh coconut. Just climb the tree. Thank you.
Thank you.
People, nothing like good food, fresh food. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if we can. Oh yeah, the music off, but it's a lot of music. This is what coconut tastes like. Different type of sweetness. Different type of sweetness. How you like a coconut water, Shamika?
I didn't drink it. I only ate the jelly part.
All right, people, this spot is legit. I'm not gonna lie to you. On the side of the beach, just the atmosphere is beautiful. You hear the water running, right? The water, the back and forth. This is relaxing. It's very relaxing. Drinking the coconut. You don't get no better than that. We came out here yesterday, but we had just ate. We said we're gonna come back tonight. We came back. I'm not gonna lie to you. I ain't know we were gonna come back. Father, forgive me. Did I lie? Did I lie? I really was just trying to get rid of dude, but we back. We back. We're gonna see what the food tastes like. I ordered grilled conch, grilled fish, festival, rice on peas. What you ordered again, Shamika? Escaviche. Yeah, we sampling food today. You know what I mean? Jerk chicken, fresh lobster, people, and fish. I think that fish of mine is grilled fish. Alright. Alright. A lot of people. I ain't super hungry, so, but I don't know how long this food gonna take. Cause they cook everything from scratch. But I did see a fish on the grill. My fish ready. What did you get?
I got escabeche fish.
Escabeche fish. Oh, actually, we didn't order nothing that take too long. Oh, I forgot I ordered conch. I don't know about the conch. Conch might take long if they didn't, what they call it, tenderize it already. Well, it's grilled conch. So we'll see. But I like the setup they have though. They have running water over there. It don't look like it until you look around. Like they got everything put together. They got the solar lights. They ready for everything. They got the tent. Simple. Put it together. Make some money. Make some money, man. I love it. Big up. It's a good vibe. Good music. Hopefully I can get the music out of this. Hopefully you can't hear it. Cause we're not trying to have copyright. Good coconut. As Jamaican say, wash off the heart. Yeah. But it's a few, like 2-3 dudes over there working. I love it, man. I love to see young people get it together and hustle. They hustling. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Get your money. Big up Flag City. Fresh out the ocean, people.
Yeah, man, fresh. I really like.
Right.
Yeah, sorry. You don't know when I go on the social media. You can follow YouTube page. Laughing is a must.
Laughing is a must. Don't follow it.
TikTok, King Dumpling, man.
King Dumpling? Are you named King Dumpling?
King Dumpling.
Or what dumpling you can eat?
All 50, 60.
All right.
And I really like.
We don't call you up, but boy, I mean,
the YouTube page, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, Bubana's Food Challenge.
Hold up,
Yeah, man.
hold on there. I'm supposed to watch that channel there, you know.
Right, that's what we got, man.
Well, a couple Rasta man did it, they eat.
Yeah, man, alright, that's what we do, man.
All right, that's all.
Right, that's what we got it. People, don't see me. If you don't see me, you know, you can tell them in my comment section and say me, you know.
All right.
Yeah, the man of history. Yeah.
All right, so yeah, man, I'm watching more wild one.
Yeah, come man. Right, that's what you know, the spot.
Yeah.
One of the best spots in Jamaica, you know.
That is it.
Come on, no violence.
Love the fox, yo.
Love the peace and, huh?
That's it. Simple.
So big up the people for the YouTube life.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's your money.
For the page and hit the notification bell. Bing.
Bing.
Yeah.
Whoa. Who else food is this? Whoa. Whoa. April, let me get them some light. Alright. I'm gonna bring y'all in, people. Okay, this is roast. No, this is grilled lobster. With festival. Escovitch lobster. With
Can't
festival.
wait to eat.
It does. We got one more. Right tonight, Mickey. Thank you. Shamika, we eating food. Alright, there's a conch right here, people. Hold up, Shamika. Don't eat nothing yet. It's a conch, people. Alright, people. We're gonna eat this grilled snapper. Grilled conch, fried snapper. We about to go in. Oh my God, we just want to thank you for food. Pray this will be a blessing and heal to my body, and I'm Yeshua. Amen. Come in. Got to get this camera right for y'all. What should I eat first? Conch? Should I eat the fish first? Let's taste the conch. Oh yeah. Conch is right, people. Now you cook it down in butter. It's off the grill. It's like I don't know, I'm tasting butter though. It tastes good. We're sampling everything today. Y'all think we greedy? Hopefully they got to go play festival. Big up Flag City. Festival good. Festival bad. Let's see what this grill fish tastes like. No, we got flies. You know, anyway, see for flies here. Oh, is this okay? This is what the flavor is. Come taste that same buttery flavor. Okay, they put it on the grill. It tastes good. The smoke in the grilled fish with the buttery taste. Cause I guess they mix up the toppings in buttery. It tastes so good. Show you my video. I mean, eating my food. I don't know if I eat all this food.
The grilled fish tastes better.
Food good. Now you know me. Me and rice. Me and rice. That's what the rice is. Rice can't go on. What do you think about the rice?
It tastes not shelly, but it tastes good.
Huh?
It's not shelly, but it's flavorful. Your grilled fish tastes good.
See, this is sherry. What are you talking about? That's considered sherry. I know what she means. I know that what she means because she go off. This is parboiled rice, right?
Maybe that's why it's not shelly. It's not sticky shelly.
She want the white rice shelly. That's what she really means. For the flavor in the rice is good. Right? I ain't gonna eat no more festival. I gotta make sure I can eat the majority of the food. I'm bringing some with me. We about to order all this food, trying to be a food reviewer, right? And I'm full, but I've tasted everything. Everything is good. My wife don't really care for the escabeche like that. But my conch is good, my grilled fish is good. What you give the escabeche?
Well, let me give it. Like a 6. The grilled fish tastes nice, but the escabeche wasn't on the menu. So that's not what they specialize in. Alright, that's good.
So, conch bud, fish, the grilled fish bud. The escabeche is not all that my wife said. My food is good. Pay attention. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the grilled conch. Hey, we supposed to be eating together, but the fish, I'm gonna bring that to the room. Hopefully they got to-go box.
Maybe some foil.
Four? You're right, four will work. All right, people. Flag City. Flag City was a movement. Food was good. We enjoyed it. We enjoyed it. Customer service, love it. Love to see young people doing their thing, man. I don't even know, some of them might be my age, but just my people, my peers doing their thing. They could be doing anything else, but they doing their thing on the beach. Selling some good food. Don't get no better than that. Miss Chambers. Yeah, what?
Yeah, what?
What'd you think?
I was.
What'd you think about the people then? The food?
It was cool. It was cool.
All right. Food was good. Everything was good. The grilled fish was good. The conch was good. The escabeche was seasoned. Now, my wife said that she didn't care for it that much. It was seasoned, but the reason she said she didn't care for it that much because she was looking for that escabeche taste, and it didn't have a strong escabeche taste. Needed a little bit more vinegar. So that's really what it was. But overall, man, food is great. I give them an 8. Shout out to them. Flag City. Big up yourself. Is it Flag City?
Flag City.
Flag City. Big up yourself. You know where we go. I'm out.